It looks like liquidity is about to be taken before it even opens. Okay, I mean, it's whatever. It's whatever. Okay. I think we had a turtle soup here.
Order filled.
Okay, shit. I mean, it just happened quick. Hold on. And map this out if I have time. Ooh, it feels dangerous. Break even stop. Okay, I'm trying to quickly map this out on TradingView.
Stop filled.
Fuckers. Dare we take it again? Let's pause for a second. Let's pause. Hold on. Let's collect ourselves here. Sheesh Louish. These are the fake outs though. Like, don't get me wrong, this could be dangerous, but this might just be
order filled.
I think it's it. Even +8. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is going on? The volatility is absolutely insane. Let's whoa. Don't get in the way of the trade, buddy. Okay, entry 19,418 even. Is that it? Okay, great. No, we got another break even.
Stop filled.
Wow. They're being greedy. They don't want us to have it, bro.
Order filled.
We're gonna try this one more time. Now we have a bit of a late entry. Break even stop. All right, we have a tentative limit order there. Let me adjust this again. I can't try that. We can't re-enter it again. Like, it would just be too late. So hopefully this one plays out the way we want it to. Jesus, 19, 4, 3, 1, 2, 5. Boom. Reward to risk, 3 to 1. Okay. We already have the break-even stop. Our profit should be 19, 49125. $19,49125, you say, huh? All right, I mean, that's it. We just let it go and see if we can make it to the top. All right, we're retesting VWAP right now. It's looking good so far. All right, so now that we have the reward to risk of 3 to 1 mapped out, now what I want to see is where the liquidity is at the top, and it looks like our exit is just above Asia's high on the day. It's a bad entry though, so I don't know. It's okay if it doesn't work out. It's just a little sad. But anyway, let's be patient and just give it a moment here. We don't know. We just don't know. Let's see how we do here at VWAP. This is the 1 minute time frame, so it's just fickle. Okay, yeah, basically, New York session. I mapped this out in the 15-minute time frame. I took the entry in the 1 minute time frame. I identified what looked like a internal structure internal structure downtrend. But the thing is, when you get the power of like 3 or 4, which is where you have like congruent order block, congruent overlapping fib retracement level, something that I use that maybe no one else uses, and then the fourth thing would be a run on liquidity. Like when you have all of those things, when I see all of those things, I am willing to trade against whatever the trend is, because I strongly expect the market to react when I see those things line up. Okay, so that's why I'm in this trade. As you saw, I tried to get like a nice deep entry, but it just didn't work out that way. And we just have to be okay with it. I'm really trying not to get in the way of this trade. I keep getting in the way of all of my trades, and I'm just trying not to, because it's just really lame. So as I say that, as I drag my stop in the way, but we're probably gonna leave it right there, and let's just let this go, see what happens. So it is Friday, it's September 13th, and I don't know if we're gonna get a runner, but I feel like if the stop survives here, like, why not? Let's just
Stop filled.
You know what? All right, it's okay. All right. What was that? Oh my God. Okay, so I didn't even recognize that we hit a turtle soup. Look at it performing beautifully. This is a bearish turtle soup we just hit in the 15-minute. I'm not really sure what to do, because we're definitely... I don't know, it might be time to up the risk a little bit. Maybe I'm being a little too conservative, I don't know. God, that turtle soup was gorgeous, though. That was good. But there's another one just above it. And I'm like, do I want to take that? Ooh. Okay, so we have Asia. This is Asia's high right here. Depending on how it looks, if we run, so we just ran London's high. If we run Asia's high as well, I expect a turtle soup right there as well. But we're at a turtle soup as well, so we could just. But I always like to take the deeper one. So if it's a possible short, I want the one that's at the higher level. It's just the less riskier one. Less risky one. Okay, so let's just give it a sec. I'm just trying to decide if I want to take this or not. Let's see if we get a run on this liquid. Probably be a nice scalp to the top actually, but I don't like to mess with scalps. That's when I get myself into trouble. All right, don't let it trick you. We got to actually run the liquidity. Don't just hold on. It might just be ready. But we're going to hang tight. I don't need to take anything risky. This is like, I already took a trade today, so I don't have to take another one. So just be patient. I think that's it though. I think we might be going. All right, let's look at the 3 minute and the 5 minute. Still looking a bit bully here. I don't know if it really matters. Okay, so the question is like, is the way this is setting up, does it look like something that I want to take a chance on? Drawdown is at 8:31. We're just tap dancing around this liquidity. If you're wondering what the 15-minute looks like, this is what it looks like. Yeah, this probably would be like a really good area to take a turtle soup on. Are we going to run liquidity though? Like, what is up? Am I being impatient? Probably. I feel nervous about this one. Why? This is probably a really good area to take it from.
Order filled.
we're in it. Tentative limit. Oh my god, please don't let me get blown out. Yeah, okay. Let's set this up on TradingView. I'm not gonna lie, I feel nervous about this one. I want to break even stop ASAP Rocky. Break even.
Stop filled.
Mother. Do we want to re-enter?
Order filled.
Stop. Alright, break even stop. Entry 19 4 8 5 7 5. I don't know why I'm pressing the fucking key so hard. Short for reward to risk of 3 to 1. Profit would be at 19 4 2 5 7 5. Ugh, it's looking like another break even. Okay, well, it's set up though. We're gonna just let it do whatever it does. Either way, I think the level is good. We definitely have the power of 4. We did everything that we needed to do. So, the timing's either good or it's not. Let's wait and see. It is not uncommon for turtle soups to deliver on both sides, and it could be just back to back. It's just gorgeous when it happens too. It happens a lot. I wish I would have just left the trade alone, but it is what it is. I can't stop dragging this stop. It's crazy. I'm gonna try not to touch it anymore if I can survive this candle. Ugh.
Stop filled.
And we did not. All right, well, that is what that is. Okay, I'm not gonna take another one today. We're done. Monday, I am going to increase the risk. I kind of want to get back in this, but there's something about this one that just feels... I think it's the degree of momentum that I see in the market to the upside right now. And in the on the daily, like we are definitely in an area where I've been expecting to see explosive movement to the upside. So, I don't know. So I just feel a bit iffy about this area, and I have taken 2 trades, and so if I stay in control of myself, then I think that I would stop trading right now. Actually, I took 3, right? Because I broke even on the one. I feel like it's gonna go. We're gonna just let it go. Sometimes you gotta be okay with that. No need to take things you don't feel a lot of certainty for. So we're just gonna let this one go. And if we miss out on what could have been profit, then it just is what it is. I don't like how much I'm questioning it. And we already gave it a shot, and you know, we broke even, so we're gonna leave it at that. All right, so that's gonna wrap up. That's gonna wrap up this week's trading. So all in all, basically, you see that fair value gap right there? You see it? Oh, that's that. I think we're going down. This is how easy it is to like say one thing and then you can just click something and do another. You gotta keep self-control. Like it's the truest leverage and the truest power that you have as a trader is to have self-control. That's it. Because this trade could go hamskis, right? And in the long run, it's like what's going to benefit me the most is going to be keeping my shit intact, meaning like, you know, keeping my shit together, not losing it, not making impulsive decisions, right? So even if this move were to go absolutely bonkers and I missed out on it, it's more important in the long run for me to have control over my decision making, my judgment, my impulsivity. So I'm just gonna watch. All right, but all right, that wraps us for the week. I think it was a good week. I've never had any accounts where I've taken payouts and then like survived afterwards. Like I always blow them right after I take a payout. So this has been the most progress that I've ever seen after taking payouts on accounts. So it is a little bit annoying, and with props you could certainly just start over. But I'm putting a lot of emphasis on risk management and fundamentals. And so I think this is a cool little milestone for me a cool challenge for me to take on, to see if I'm able to lower risk and keep risk lowered until I get to where I need to be on the accounts as far as where the drawdown is at. So at one point this week, the drawdown was at like 242. So with low risk, I've been able to, trading with a max risk of like $100 or less per account, I've been able to get that number up without putting the account at risk, right? Or the accounts at risk, which is the goal. So on Monday, I will raise risk, not very much, but a little bit. Maybe no more than 2 contracts. I won't raise it by more than 2 micro contracts. And yeah, hopefully we can continue to see numbers go up and get to a point where I can get back to my regular max risk, which would be $350 per account. So that's going to be it for the week. Overall, I'm happy with the week. I don't think, knock on wood, but I don't think I went on tilt one time this week, even though I really want to take this short. Like I really want to jump in like this. It's like pulling back into the area. I'm gonna log out before anything silly happens. All right, so I'll see you in trade review, and I will see you next week for New York session on Monday. Hope you guys killed it today.